To remove or replace the power button board, first remove the TouchMat and the right rear cover. Detach the pink Torx head screw that secures the power button board assembly to the middle frame of the PC. Partially pull out the power button board assembly. Detach the connector from the power button board. To fully remove the assembly from the unit, detach the two Phillips No. 1 screws that secure the power button board to its bracket. Pull the board off of the bracket. To replace the power button board, place the board onto its bracket and secure with two Phillips No. 1 screws. The power button bracket has two small holes on the bottom that fit over two small metal tabs on the middle frame. To replace the power button board assembly, first reattach the power button connector to the board. Align the two holes of the bracket over their slots until the bracket is correctly seated. Secure the power button board bracket to the middle frame with its pink Torx head screw.